Even if you do not see Allah, Allah sees all your deeds. In the realm of Islamic theology, the omnipresence and omniscience of Allah are foundational concepts that shape the believer's understanding of the divine. The assertion, even if you do not see Allah, Allah sees all your deeds, encapsulates the essence of this belief, emphasizing that while human perception is limited, Allah's awareness encompasses all. This principle serves as a cornerstone for cultivating consciousness of Allah, taqwa, and accountability in every aspect of a Muslim's life. The power of Allah. Allah's power is absolute and unparalleled. He is the creator and sustainer of the heavens and the earth, orchestrating the universe with precision and wisdom. The Quran frequently highlights Allah's might and authority. Indeed, your Lord is Allah, who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days and then established himself above the throne. He covers the night with the day, chasing it rapidly, and he created the sun, the moon, and the stars, subjected by his command. Unquestionably, his is the creation and the command. Blessed is Allah, Lord of the worlds. Surah Al-Araf, chapter 7 verse 54. This verse underscores Allah's dominion over creation and his continuous governance of all affairs. His power is not confined to the act of creation but extends to the maintenance and regulation of the universe. Understanding Surah Al-An'am, verse 103. Surah Al-An'am, verse 103, provides profound insight into the nature of Allah's perception and the limitations of human vision. No vision can grasp him, but his grasp is over all vision. He is the subtle, the aware. Surah Al-An'am, chapter 6 verse 103. This verse conveys that Allah's essence is beyond the scope of human sight and comprehension. While humans cannot perceive him through their senses, Allah's awareness encompasses all. The terms the subtle, Al-Latif, and the aware, Al-Khabir, further emphasize his intricate knowledge and understanding of all matters, both apparent and hidden. Tafsir scholars elaborate on this verse to highlight the distinction between the creator and the creation. Ibn Kathir explains that while no vision can encompass Allah in this life, believers will be granted the blessing of seeing him in the hereafter, as affirmed by authentic hadiths. However, in this worldly existence, Allah remains unseen, yet his knowledge and awareness are all-encompassing. Allah's subtle observation of deeds. The concept that Allah observes all deeds, no matter how minute, is a recurring theme in Islamic teachings. The Quran emphasizes that nothing escapes Allah's knowledge. And with him are the keys of the unseen, none knows them except him. And he knows what is on the land and in the sea. Not a leaf falls but that he knows it. And no grain is there within the darknesses of the earth and no moist or dry thing, but that it is written in a clear record. Surah Al-An'am, chapter 6 verse 59. This verse illustrates the depth and breadth of Allah's knowledge, encompassing every detail of existence. The awareness of Allah's constant observation serves as a deterrent against wrongdoing and motivates believers to act righteously. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, further reinforced this understanding in his teachings. In the Hadith of Jibril, when asked about Ihsan, excellence in worship, he replied, "It is to worship Allah as if you see him, and if you do not see him, then indeed he sees you." Sahih Muslim. This hadith encapsulates the essence of living with the awareness of Allah's perpetual observation, fostering sincerity and mindfulness in all actions. The names of Allah in Surah Al-An'am, verse 103. The verse concludes with two of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Latif, the subtle, and Al-Khabir, the aware. Al-Latif, this name signifies Allah's subtlety and gentleness. He is the one who is aware of the finest details and provides for his creation in ways that are not immediately apparent. His actions are executed with precision and care, often beyond human perception. Al-Khabir, this name denotes Allah's complete awareness and knowledge of all things. He is fully informed about the inner and outer aspects of his creation, understanding their intentions, thoughts, and actions. Together, these names highlight Allah's comprehensive knowledge and the subtlety with which he manages the affairs of the universe. They remind believers that Allah is intimately aware of their circumstances and actions, encouraging them to maintain sincerity and integrity. The assertion that even if you do not see Allah, Allah sees all your deeds serves as a powerful reminder of the omnipresence and omniscience of the divine. It encourages believers to cultivate a constant awareness of Allah, leading to a life of mindfulness, sincerity, and righteousness. By understanding and internalizing the meanings of Allah's names and attributes, Muslims can strengthen their relationship with Him and strive to embody the principles of Ihsan in their daily lives.